Welcome everyone. I'm uh, showing y'all my uh, tetris game that I did in Python. So there is a lot of code to go through, so I'm not going to really dive deep into all of it here. But just pause and read if you're interested in what I got going on here. Otherwise, really, this is what I've done, and let's just see if this full test will work. So I should pull up a new screen here. All right. And then we have Tetris. Right? It's your basic functionality. Go through basic as normal already. Left and right arrow keys moves the pieces. And you can see up arrows to rotate. And then yeah. But all in all, I don't know why audio is not working. Then, download. So, I go, then click them over. Alrighty. So yeah, that is my game.